How is testing different in an Agile than in a traditional project? And I want to show you that by using the Agile Testing Manifesto that was developed by Sam and Karen in a book called Coaching Agile Testing Teams. It's a book and a workshop. Make sure to check it out. I will send you the link and show you the link afterwards. Now they have the Agile Testing Manifesto, and it has basically 5 statements. Now the first of those 5 is actually the one that testing is not a phase anymore. We should think of testing more as an activity. Now in a phase we mean testing cannot be done before development has finished. Now that is going to change because testing is actually more of an activity. You can do it all the time throughout the sprint. You maybe can start with testing if you follow a test-first approach like TDD, ATDD, behavior-driven development, and these things. Now, we want to move away from finding bugs. Oh, where are all day? I'm trying to find all of them. In the direction of we want to prevent them. Now, in order to prevent bugs, you need to know more about the goal, about the user, about their problems, about their needs. And you need to find that out with great questions that you can ask early on in the start of the product development journey. Third statement out of these 5 is, are you actually a checker? Now, what is a checker? A checker is a machine that checks that the specification is fulfilled, that is completely automated. Now, humans are not very good in automating things, so that's the reason why we should actually let machines do that. We want to do more of testing. Now, testing is actually the mindset where you use your brain to find new ideas on how to think about edge cases, hidden assumptions, and all these things. And testing is a much better way. Now, this is the important distinction between checking and testing. The fourth of the 5 statements is we try to move away from breaking the system in the direction of, hey, I'm part of the team. I want to help to build the best system ever. Now that's again the whole team collaboration, very important, and we are collaborating in the team. And the last one is actually the one where we talk about, hey, we want to move away that the testers are responsible for the quality because we can't trust the developers. So testers are not a quality gate anymore. We want to move in the direction of the whole team takes the responsibility for quality and the system. Now a little story there. I had a manager asking me how can he was not sure about the test department. He was not sure if they are actually performing. And he had the idea of, hey, we could actually measure the amount of bugs that they find, and we could actually create artificial bugs in the system and then measure if the testers find them. If they don't find them, we should think about firing them or doing something else with them. Now this is a bad mindset. We don't want to have that. We want to collaborate. We want to follow the Agile Testing Manifesto. Now go to growingagile.co.ca. This is the website from Sam and Karen. There you can find their book. And I want to mention also the Scrum.org website where you can actually find more practices and engineering techniques on how to do this actually, this Agile testing. Now what is behavior-driven development? How do you do that in a team? Acceptance test-driven development. What's the difference to behavior-driven development? How do you test first? What are architectural fitness functions? All these testing approaches are taught in this class. Scrum.org PSD, Professional Scrum Developer Training. I see you in my next training.